Welcome to Emotional Healing Solutions Meditation and Inner Leader Visualization. You are the leader of your life, and we're going to ask you to find a comfortable position where you won't be disturbed for at least 12 minutes. Ground yourself. Breathing deeply. Take slow, even breaths. Feeling the rise and fall of your chest. Scan your body. Notice any tension and consciously relax your muscles, starting from your toes, up your legs, arms, shoulders, neck, and face. Breathe deeply, taking slow, even breaths, feeling the rise and fall of your chest. We are now going to journey into your inner space. I am here with you, and as you hear my voice, know this is a safe, peaceful place for you. I will guide you back, so just relax. Picture a special, peaceful incantation of a forest, beach, or cozy room. Use all your senses. What does it smell like? What does it feel like? What does it look like in your mind's eye? Now, I want you to create a path. See a path leading deeper into this space. Towards a source of wisdom or strength. How does it feel? What do you see? Breathe deeply and let go. The rise and fall of your chest should continually be in a pattern that allows you to be at peace. Visualize your inner leader, your leader that takes you where you need to go, helped you with every situation in your day. A wise person within you, a leader within you. Welcome that wisdom into your inner space. Feel that energy of success. See the figures that make you feel secure. Is it a warrior? Is it an ancestor from the past that you always respected? Is it a captain of a ship? Is it a conductor on a train or a pilot on a plane? A stewardess on a plane? Notice how they look. Notice how they walk. Are they smiling? Are they at peace? Visualize the journey of your inner leader. How do you look to them? If you were to ask these leaders what they believed in, what values they projected, what energy do they embody? How do they lead with courage? How do they receive clarity? What will they say? Receive their input. Receive their clarity. Listen closely to what you hear in your mind's eye. What images come to your mind as your chest lifts and exhales? What do you feel? Pay attention to the patterns of your breathing. As you receive this wisdom, does it fill you with a certainty or acceptance? This is your inner leader guiding you, directing you, emphasizing the importance of you. Feel your inner strength. have it merge with you. Become part of your God essence within you. Own this power with confidence and resilience. What will you say to your inner leader? Will you respect your inner leader to guide you to success in whatever area you may be ready to embrace? Now gently return back to your awareness state as you feel your breath move through your body. Reorientate yourself and wiggle your fingers and toes and notice your surroundings. Open your eyes gently. And we're back. Now what I want you to think about is, what are you going to journal about meeting your inner leader tonight? Write down your experiences, your insights, and any gifts from your inner leader. And as we close, the affirmations that we should use to be a journal starter. I carry the strength of my inner leader with clarity and wisdom. I affirm that all good things dwell within me. I am a good person. I affirm that my inner leader will make sure that I gain my success in the allotted time through patience and perseverance. I can access my inner leader whenever I need it. So this is our spotlight visualization meditation on the inner leader within. It is there with you, so make sure you do not forget that. When you need someone to talk to and you don't have anyone to pick up that phone to call on your inner leader to guide you, and come back and visit this Emotional Healing Solutions meditation anytime you feel you need to. There is a lot going on in the world, and what you feel matters. Always remember that. Thank you so much for being here with me tonight on this meditation conference call, and we hope you enjoyed the visualization. We empower you to believe in you at all times, always. Please never listen to these meditations while driving or working on machinery with ear pods. If you have to go and take a break, go to the restroom, go to the break room, or just get away from the drama. That's why I make these videos so short. And you can always feel free to listen to them on your ear pods for a certain amount of time. YouTube has a setting where you can only put the timer on for a certain amount of time. If you so need a 5-minute break, a 3-minute break, a 2-minute break. Thank you so much for being here. I'm Dr. Darina Shine, and we'll see you next time.